the high-tech door of Abisa Mall. It will just open, close, and open like this when you get inside. Wow, that's amazing. I really love this door. Yeah. Okay, so it's really the highest level of excellence here in Ayala Robinson or Abisa Mall, Davao City. During my day-to-day, just having my rejuvenation and of course revitalization on this side of shopping center. It's really so excellent decoration, the entrance. Oh, look at this. It will automatically open, close, and open like that. It's an automatic sliding door. Yeah, it will open. But I will not enter yet. So this really their amazing Christmas lights and celebration. Really nice decoration of a perfect happy family. So I just like to picture the sliding automatic door here in Abisa. Here, it's again the entrance. It will just open. It will just close the moment you use that one, and automatically it will be closed also as soon as you entered. Okay, that's not so someone is entering and the door will just open. Wow, that's amazing works of technology. Just having my picture about the automatic sliding door. Amazing works of discovery of science and technology. This one. Close open, and automatically, wow, it will again close with no manual action. With all the stars there, the starlight. Really an amazing Davao like this year with so many big buildings, tall buildings like that. Wow, this is really amazing, terrific, incredible. They have also this lane for those who are PWD. Really a perfect shopping center. Shopping centers are one of the indicators that we are already in a civilization. We're not already living in a barbaric way of life like the prehistoric times. I just love these buildings, big buildings. Robinson supermarket here. This is now the Robinson supermarket. Yeah, big tall buildings here in Davao City. So for now, this is just my short episodes, my short and quick touchdown. Live and alive, Abisa Mall, Robinson, Bahada, Davao City. Thank you kababuhayers, for joining me my coverage today, a day in the life of the retired teacher. Buhay, magandang buhay. Buhay, long live, good person. Good life, good person. I am your teacher vlogger, teacher Bing, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rindon. Live and alive. Life is here. Apresa mo, Davao City. Thank you kamabuhay and kamabuhayers. Until my next vlog. Mabuhay! Long live!